The 2008 Range Rover, the luxury that's more than a luxury. It's quite apparent throughout our Range Rover heritage and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, Harman Kardon sound system, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.